Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a little bat character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're going to start with the top of the head and draw a curved line like this. Next, we're going to do two triangles on top for the ears. One right there, and one right there. Perfect. We'll do a little hair sticking out, and then come around right there and stop halfway. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. A couple little hairs, and then around and stop. There's the head of our bat. We're gonna give our bat some big eyes. One right there. One right there. Some big pupils. Fill them in. One on this side. Some lines underneath the eyes. And some eyebrows. Let's give our bat a little nose and a little smile with some teeth. That looks really good. Next, let's move down to the body. And we're gonna do a little round shape right there, like that. Next, the bat wings, we're just gonna swoop up like that, and then back down this way. Do the same thing on the other side. Swoop, and then back down this way. Perfect. Let's give our bat some little fingers on the wings right here, and then a few on this side too. And then two legs and feet. A straight line, a curved line, and then another straight down to close off that foot. Let's do one on this side. Straight, curved line, and then another straight line down here. Perfect. Now, just a few details around the face. We'll close off these ears by doing a triangle and then some jagged lines. Another triangle over here, some jagged lines. A couple more details around, some squiggly hairs. And there we have a bat character. Yeah. You did a really good job following along with me today. I'm so proud of you. Come back really soon and we'll draw more characters, okay? Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!